Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can check the statistics of your Canva project. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva and open your project, and to see the statistics of your project, how many people saw it, and what are the social media statistics around it. There is a very easy way. On the top right corner of the screen, right near the download button, as you can see this little statistics icon. If you tap on it, it's going to open up the Insight tab, where you will see on the first page the total views and unique views of your design. Then you can tap onto the second. On the bottom, you will see the daily unique views. If you tap on the second tab, you will see the viewer statistics. Here, if they have a Canva account, you will see the names of every viewer. And you can also see the social media impressions, clicks, reactions, and engagement. If you use Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram, you can use these integration features. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone, and see you in the next one.